Dude, the AC works on this hunk of shit. Brought the Blazer home because Gambler is not too far away. I gotta get this thing done. And it brought home its own ecosystem. I legitimately thought that branch was some sort of hose on the passenger side. Like, wait a minute, I didn't think there was any lines running down the side of it. Grabbed a hold of it. Oh, it's a tree branch. Well, that's what you get for driving in ponds. Well, the muffler was literally falling off this thing. And I looked at the mid pipe is 2 3/4. The tailpipe is 2 1/4. It's kind of odd, so I looked at getting just a straight piece of pipe and a couple adapters, but it was cheaper to get a $22 glass pack from Amazon. Put it outside on here, jam it inside on this one, weld it up. Can't really get to it worth the shit underneath here, but I'm just going to hit it with some aluminum ducting tape and call it good. Because it's a Gambler. Who cares? Junkyard will provide. Skid plates for the beater. Let's make sure this thing holds air before we leave the junkyard. Headed home. Got a spare for the Gambler too while I was at it. Not a bad day. Put some flush mount LEDs in. Didn't have reverse lights at work. So there we go. These guys like exploring. Wired in switches for my LED bar and the backup lights I just did, using only the finest quality relays. So these are some GMT 800 relays, because what's the point of buying off the shelf stuff at Napa or something like that if you've got some junk shit from your brother-in-law scrapping a Tahoe. Just turn the backs on. So I had no reverse lights at all. I don't know if the switch on the transit shot or what, but there's nothing to the wires. So now I got some on a rocker switch. There should be a lot brighter than the other ones were anyway. Oh, and I'll do the light bar too. That baby on. This one. That's that one. Oh, switch is falling out. Gambler. There you go. That sucker will light up the moon. Point it high. I guess we're done running around. How bud? It's not that warm today. Load this piece on the trailer. I found a big leak right by the O2, so that little aluminum tape, maybe it'll run better. I got the tape just to take care of my ugly welds on the muffler so I don't get too much water in the exhaust when I'm under. But maybe you won't need like half throttle to keep doing 60 now. We'll see.